Freelancers juggle clients, tasks, deadlines, and payments, usually across messy spreadsheets or notes. Airtable can replace all of that with one clean system. In this video, I'll show you how to use Airtable for freelancers step by step in 2026 using a setup that actually fits freelance work. All right? First, create a dedicated workspace just for freelancing. Click Add Workspace and name it something clear like freelance work or client projects. Keeping freelance work separate helps you stay organized from day one. Before creating anything, decide what matters most to you. For most freelancers, that's clients, tasks, projects, and payments. You don't need everything at once. Start simple and build gradually. Now, create your first base for clients. Click Create a Base and start from scratch. Each row will represent one client. Add fields for client name, contact info, status, and notes. Next, create a second base for tasks or projects. Each row equals one task or one project, depending on how you work. Add fields for task name, due date, priority, and status. This becomes your daily control center. All right, now create views. Add a view for active work, one for completed tasks, and one for upcoming deadlines. Views help you focus without cluttering your screen. Now, if payments matter to you, and yeah, they do, create a simple payment tracker. Add fields for amount, due date, paid status, and client name. This prevents missed invoices and late follow-ups. One important rule for freelancers: don't overbuild. If a field or view doesn't help you daily, remove it. A simple Airtable system is easier to maintain and actually use, and that's how freelancers can use Airtable the right way. Clients, tasks, and payments, all in one place. Start simple, stay consistent, and Airtable becomes your freelance control panel.